Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you all of my skin, hair, and beauty body favorites. A bunch of them are lots of new products, so I don't understand why I'm echoing all of a sudden. But let's jump in and get started. So my first up favorite is the First Aid Facial Radiance Ads. Alright, so the reason I love these guys is I get very oily in the summertime, especially like when I go to the gym, my face gets sweaty. So I always use these right after I get back from the pool, get back from like being out in the sun, whatever that makes me sweat profusely. And I just scrub it in the spots that I know I'm bound to break out. And I love these. They are fragrance free and hypoallergenic, whatever that means. I have no idea. But yeah, I love them. I've never had issues with them. I don't really have sensitive skin, so if you do, I'm not sure if they'll work for you, but I love them. They keep me from breaking out, and it's that time of the month. Ding, 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 yay me. And I normally break out right here, and honestly, it has not been that bad since I've been using these guys, so I love them. I love their Wander Beauty Beach Balm. I love this more than regular chapstick because regular chapstick feels like really hard and I feel like I don't get a lot of product on my lips. I love this. It keeps my lips so nice and so soft and smooth, and I've been using it for like the past year. This is like my third tube of it. I'm obsessed with it. Then another one that I love is the Bliss Pore Patrol. Here it is. Literally smells incredible. It's the Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask, and all of their products smell so good. Like they remind me of like a funfetti cake with like that really delicious, like, oh my god, I'm so fat. You could tell it's that time of the month. Oh my god, look at me. I'm like craving a cake. But no, it smells like that whipped butter. Is that what it's called? Frosting? It smells like that whipped cream frosting. It's so good. I love it, and it feels really good on your face. And when you're done, I like that it doesn't leave my face incredibly like dried out, and it doesn't make my skin feel harsh. I just feel when I'm done wearing it, my pores feel really nice and refreshed and clean. So I'm into it. Then next up again, I love these little Makeup Free Zone by Ame. I'm loving these little Makeup Free by Ame. I love the little removers, so when I F up my makeup in the middle of a video, which happens all the time, don't let people fool you. When you're watching a YouTube video, they do not put their makeup on that easy. Like, they probably wipe it off a few times because they messed up and edit that part out, but I always keep these on my desk because I'm always like redoing something and they just come in handy. I really like them. Then okay, so I'm so excited. I love this Derma-E Scar Gel. I actually was in the sun way too long yesterday. I got a little red on my back, and I put a little bit on this, or I put a little bit on my back last night, and I woke up and my skin is like all better. My daughter got sunburned yesterday because she has my husband's skin, so she's really, really fair. I did sunscreen like SPF 60 on her every hour to hour and a half, and she still got really, really red. And I put this on her, and literally she woke up this morning, it is half of what it was yesterday night. So definitely work. Or if you're prone to like burning yourself with your curling iron, which I'm very good at that, it's one of my high qualities. Okay, so moving on, since we're talking about SPF and all that good stuff, I'm loving the Ame CC Luminous Primer. I'll put this on even when I'm not wearing makeup. It's like a nice little sheer glow to it. It's very pretty. It sets very well underneath makeup. I'm wearing it right now. I really like it. It doesn't feel like it's clogging my skin up, so I'm into it. And it definitely, I feel like it made my pores look a little invisible. I don't know. Maybe I'm blind, but I feel like it did. I feel like yep, I feel like I'm loving it. You guys know I'm all about Patchology. These are their new Soothing the Zen Master ones. These are the new Zen Masters, and I love them because I've been in the sun a lot, so my skin gets a little bit dry and beat up, so they definitely bring my skin back to life. And you guys know I love Patchology. They make like the best face masks. Like, they're incredible. You guys know that. I feel like I just said like 25 times. Super annoying. So you guys, I love Auragold. I have loved them for like years. They are on the expensive side. I'm not gonna lie to you, on the expensive side. Bitch, they are expensive. They are very expensive, but they're incredibly worth it. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. This is their firming cream, and honestly, if you are possibly like older, or you're really feeling like maybe you're starting to age and you want to start taking care of that, and you want something that is just super high quality and you know it's going to work, I absolutely recommend Auragold. Their products are just They're so good. So I do a little bit of this every night, especially in the summer, because I feel like that's when my skin really needs to get firm, because you're seeing way too much sun and I'm probably not SPFing as much as I nearly should. So I put this on definitely in the summer. This is the 24 karat gold lifting and firming cream. So I'll link it below if you're in the market to find something that is going to dramatically help your skin. But I totally understand if you're like, bitch, that is expensive. I get it. I know. I'm with you. I feel it. Along with it is the 24 karat lifting serum that goes underneath your eyes. I love serums. I love eye serums. Since I've been doing eye serums every single day, like consistent, I feel like I never get that crepiness under here, which I feel like I used to get so much before I started really taking care of my under eyes. I feel like because I'm 30, it's just very important to take care of my skin so I age gracefully. Please let me age gracefully. So then next up, this is like a mixture thing, like it's my own little concoction, the Luxe Tan Water, which is just a clear spray, but it gives your skin a little bit of it makes your skin bronze. And then I love pairing it with the Cashmere Sunless Tanning Lotion. The reason I use these two together is I use them, you're gonna make fun of me. So I use them on my legs because I feel like my legs never really like get sunny, like they never get suntan. So what I do is I spray that on my legs. I know a lot of people have issues like with their calves don't get a lot of sun, like they'll be way more tan up here and then their calves are like kind of still white. So what I do is I spray the Tan Luxe on, I rub it in, and then I spray a little bit, or I use a little bit of the lotion, just because the lotion still has a little bronzer in it, but then it's also going to hydrate my legs because my calves and my knees get a little bit more flaky, you know, super sexy. But that, to me, I think that's like the perfect concoction. I love it. And actually this cashmere smells really, really good. I used to use Jergens, but I like how this smells a lot better, and I love the fact that it doesn't rub off on your sheets and it dries really, really fast. So, because I'm kind of lazy when it's like nighttime, when I get out of the shower, like I want to hop right into bed when I'm done doing whatever I got to do. So it's super annoying when I put on like a lotion tanner and I have to sit there and wait for it to dry forever. So I like that that dries really quick. And for the hair, this is the new Derma-E Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. It has apricot seed and argan oil, 100% vegan, GMO-free, cruelty-free. Hey, I really love Derma-E. They have awesome products. So I have been a Pantene girl for my whole life. Like literally, it's like the only type of shampoo that would ever make my hair really soft. And this stuff actually really, really works very well for me. So I'm super shocked because I have never used another shampoo and conditioner that have ever worked for me. Every time I would go to travel, I end up going to Walmart and getting like 5 little travel size of Pantene Pro V conditioner because no other conditioner works for me and my hair will end up looking like a rat's nest by the end of the trip. So I always make sure I did that. I feel like I would be able to definitely take these with me if I traveled because they lock in moisture, and I don't know if it's like the argan oil or what it is about it, but it makes my hair feel really, really nice, and I'm super shocked, so I'm into it. Really loving their dry shampoo because in the summertime and when I work out, my scalp gets very greasy and produces way more oils. So even after I shower, even if I don't condition my hair, I'll still get like very greasy up here, and I'm really liking it because it doesn't leave a lot of white texture in my hair, which I know a lot of dry shampoos can do. And then last up is, I know this is like so much, I literally had to tell myself like, no, don't put that in because it will be a 35-minute long video because I literally try every type of skincare body stuff ever made. I'm into it. That's like my favorite part of beauty. But I'm loving the 3-in-1 hair protection serum by Derma-E. It's strength, smooth, and shine. I have been putting this in my hair every night after I get out of the shower, whether I shampoo and condition or if I don't. And I focus it on my ends because your ends is what you got to take care of the most if you want long hair, because that is the most dead part of your hair. So I've been putting it on from about here down so the rest of my hair doesn't get all greasy and oily and crazy, and it makes my hair so smooth and nice, and I really, really like it. My hair is very fine, so I can't put a lot of like smoothing stuff in my hair or it will get very ratty and greasy and weird, and it'll really weigh my hair down, so I have to take it easy. And I noticed that this works very well for me. It's not a heavy consistency, so it leaves my hair feeling very smooth and silky without leaving it all greasy and ratty and like, ugh. That's my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I love you. Bye.